Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle motor kit in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle motor kits to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Electric Fat Bike Motor. Specifications. Brand name, tongsheng Ebike. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, brushless non-gear hub motor. IP grade, IP65. Wheel size, 20 inch 24, 26. Mounting position, rear wheel drive. Number 4 is tongsheng TSDZ16. Specifications. Brand name, Varstrom. Model, No, TSDZ16. Design, brushless. Motor, side hung motor. Nominal voltage, 48 volts. Rated power, 1000 watts. Maximum torque, 160 Nm. Maximum speed, 55 to 60 km per hour. Rated efficiency, 85%. Position, mid-motor. Weight, 6 kg. Noise level, 60 dB. Waterproof level, IPX6. Warranty, 2 years. As the item number 3 we've selected, BAFANG 1000W. Specifications. Brand name, BAFANG. Motor type, side hung motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is TSDZ8 tongsheng. Specifications. Brand name, tongsheng. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor position, mid-motor. Controller, internal controller. Chainwheel, 44T. Waterproof grade, IPX5. Max speed, 45 km per hour. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 3.6 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BAFANG 750W. Specifications. Brand name, BAFANG. Model, M315mm G340.750.C. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Motor, side hung motor. Origin, mainland China.